All right, y'all, I'm gonna try to make this video as short as I can and get straight to the point. So this kid, Pinnacle Credit, I know y'all tired of hearing about him. I say this in every video, I'm tired of hearing about him. Claims that everybody's bullying him, being mean to him, treating him bad. But I'm gonna prove in this video, which is gonna be a really short video, so please make sure you watch the whole video, and please make sure you share this video everywhere you can. And also, go to the video from the screenshot I'm about to show you and report the video. So here's a screenshot right here. He loves to talk about people with kids that have special needs. Now, as a father, I'm going to tell you that is one of the sickest things a person can do. And then he's also bullying me, which I don't care. He can bully me all he wants to, but look at this right here. His channel has turned into nothing but basically everything credit. And I don't mind him talking about me because I've had the busiest 2 weeks since I've been open. I mean, it's crazy. It's mind-blowing. I'm literally gonna have to hire somebody to help me answer the phone. But that's besides the point. Y'all, please share this video everywhere. This kid needs to be shut down. He thinks he's safe because he's hiding in Asia, and he's also hiding behind a keyboard. He's not gonna fight nobody. He's not a tough guy. And I think he's hiding in the closet, but I ain't got nothing to do with that either. So hope y'all have a great day.